Today I am going to tell you some amazing facts on APJ Abdul Kalam. He was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was born and raised in Rameshwar, Tamil Nadu. He is known as the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of
a statesman, and above all, a great human being. He was born on 15th October 1931. He is a missile man. UN declared his
Kalam was also known as Missile Man of India due to
1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He was a great scientist and played an important role in many projects. He was
known as the People's President and Missile Man of India.
He joined the Indian Space Research Organization in 1969.
If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Good evening, respected.
he joined Indian Space Research Organization.
APJ Abdul Kalam Sir. Sir also received honorary doctorates from 48 universities from India and abroad. He was responsible for the development of Agni and Prithvi.
Anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the Missile Man of India. Let us celebrate him by remembering.
Kalam remained the chief scientific advisor to the PM and secretary of the DRDO. To support his family, Kalam used to distribute newspapers after his school hours.
You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. Thank you.
His full name is Abul Pakir Jain-ul-Din and was
Missed an opportunity to become a fighter pilot for the Indian Air Force.
Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great.
His work on the development of launch vehicle and ballistic missile technology had earned him the name of Missile Man of India.
Was very hard worker. His father's was boatman.
The development of Agni and Prithvi missiles. He was given Bharat Ratna Award in 1997 and Padma Bhushan Award in 1981. Thank you.
He was also known as the Missile Man of India. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay.
He was a great scientist of India.
Autobiography Wings of Fire was written in 14 languages. Kalam was awarded Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan and highest civilization award in India.
APJ Abdul Kalam was very popular among kids. He often speak to children and the country's youth. He served the country.
He was an uncommon man. Thank you.
He used to sell newspaper to support on his family.
वो नहीं होते जो रातों को आते हैं, सपने वो होते हैं जो रातों को सोने नहीं देते. सादा जीवन. He was fond of playing veena.
He had a soft corner for students. He once said that he wanted to be remembered teacher first and then like any other person. Thanks.
He missed an opportunity to work in
Indian Air Force.
Abdul Kalam, a great scientist. Our